Hi, hello, how are you? I am Mr. Hafiz from Masters Academy. Today I came in front of you to discuss more about GATE 2022. And we are from Mr. Hafiz e-learning app and Mr. Hafiz YouTube channel. So 2022, the GATE notification came. So the application dates and important dates, let's discuss on it. And first of all, what is the necessity of GATE? GATE is just an entrance exam to get the best seat in masters in engineering or to get a job in PSUs. So let's discuss more important points here. So the application date starts from 30th August 2021 on Monday to the 24th September 2021, and a few dates are here. First, October 2021, this is a closing date of online application portal, extended period with a late fee, right? And 26th October 2021, where you can change your display defective applications for rectifications so that you can rectify. And 1st November 2021, last date even for rectification. 12th November, last date for even change papers, and few more important points here are displayed here. And the last date even a category and a paper is 12th November 2021, and the admit cards you can download 3rd January 2021, and the examinations 5th February, 6th February, 12th February and 13th February, forenoon 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and afternoon 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. So these are the tentative dates, and you will get the announcement of result and online application portal on 17th March 2022, that is on Thursday. So this is all about the GATE notification and important dates. Let's have a look on the papers what exactly the pattern. Just I'll explain in a brief, right? So here, the mode of examination is a computer-based test, that is CBT, and the time period is 180 minutes, which is 3 hours exam. And earlier it was 27 papers, and at present it's 29 papers. So earlier it was 27 and 2 new one are introduced. And the sections here there are generally 2 papers, 2 sections, not exactly papers, it's 2 sections. One is general aptitude and the other is candidate selected subject, core subject. But in this again it is subdivided into 3. We are specific about computer science. So CSE we will discuss about computer science, and before that just what are the testing factors, what exactly the paper is expecting from the student. So one is recall, comprehension, application, analysis and synthesis. This is what it is expecting. And the number of questions here are 10. So general aptitude and 55 subject oriented, totally 65 questions. Totally 65 questions. So there are all these papers except ARCY, so that is okay. And the CS paper it consists the general aptitude 15 marks, 10 questions but 15 marks, and engineering mathematics it's 13 marks, and subject it's 72 marks. So 72 plus 13, it's a total 85. So it's engineering mathematics and it's core subject, and totally 85 marks will come from the subject, and the other 15 marks will come from the general aptitude. So let's have a look on it. So this is what a CS exactly, 15 general aptitude and 85 subject, and in that 85, 13 plus 72, so 100 marks, 180 minutes time. So be specific on it, and wish you all the best. And coming to the Masters Academy Mr. Hafiz e-learning app, what we are providing. So 400 rupees, 180 plus videos related to the arithmetic for all competitive exams, where you can explore your concepts and you can get the best knowledge in the market. So this is available only in Mr. Hafiz e-learning app. Nearly 180 videos are present. And the other is, you can inform to your friends or relatives where AP ISET course is already launched and its cost is 3,000 rupees, but at present we are offering for only 1,000 rupees. So you can get a live sessions, as well as the live classes will be updated into the store and you can watch through Mr. Hafiz e-learning app again. Mr. Hafiz e-learning app again. So please inform to your mates. And the other reasoning part, so it costs only 200 rupees and this is also available in Mr. Hafiz e-learning app. Use the best opportunity here. And this is what today's session. We will just move and we will meet again with a new topic, new update. Bye bye.